The release of ChatGPT has created quite a stir, sparking a heated discussion about the perils of artificial intelligence. The White House recently summoned top tech executives to a meeting to reaffirm their moral duty to safeguard the public from the dangers of this growing technology. Meanwhile, the grandfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has left Google and is now warning of the existential risk that machine learning poses to humans. Pundits warn that bad actors might use artificial intelligence to propagate disinformation and replace thousands of jobs, creating widespread unemployment. Some even worry that as AI grows more sophisticated than humans, we may confront a situation similar to the iconic robot film starring Mae Smith, in which humanoid robots revolt against their human masters. Indeed, anybody who has used ChatGPT, OpenAI's AI chatbot, would agree that its capabilities are rather astounding, especially at this early stage of development. It's not difficult to see this helpful chatbot growing into a brilliant system that no human could ever compete with. Despite this dread of the unknown, we fail to see AI's enormous potential to improve our daily lives. Are you curious about the intersection between AI and crypto? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and how AI is being used to revolutionize the industry. From trading bots to blockchain analysis, we'll cover it all. So if you're interested in learning more about the cutting-edge technology behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Transforming the crypto landscape. Machine learning may infuse much-needed efficiency into various economic sectors, from hospitality to investment banking, most notably cryptocurrencies, and boost intellectual progress. When crypto and AI combine their powers, they will be a force to be reckoned with. AI can remove friction from the Bitcoin user experience, resulting in a smooth end-to-end Web3 trip. There will be no more clumsy transaction approval procedures or switching between programs. Artificial intelligence will automate the time-consuming background processes of crypto protocols, allowing users to have a one-click experience similar to Amazon's. This would eliminate one of the primary impediments to widespread crypto adoption, clearing the path for the digital asset ecosystem to replace obsolete banking institutions. AI's potential uses span the Bitcoin industry, from data suppliers to investing tools. AI bots, for example, may sift through blockchain data to deliver important insights, search for high-yield prospects throughout the market, and utilize them to develop investment portfolios. AI may effectively be a less expensive, non-custodial alternative for pricey investment advice and fund management, opening up a world of investment options to individuals who have hitherto been unable to afford it. As bots grow more sophisticated, they can take over everyday tasks such as staking, unstacking, and authorizing transactions, allowing investors and traders to focus on more important strategic choices. The future of cryptocurrency. Trading bots are one example of how AI is now being utilized in crypto trading. These bots employ AI algorithms to evaluate market patterns and forecast the future worth of various cryptocurrencies. A trading bot, for example, may study Bitcoin price data and forecast that the price would rise in the following several hours. Based on this forecast, the bot may automatically execute a Bitcoin purchase order, enabling the user to benefit from the anticipated price gain. Similarly, if the bot anticipates that the price of Bitcoin will fall, it may execute a sell order in order to limit the user's losses. These trading bots may help traders make more lucrative choices and reduce risk by using AI to study market movements and make educated forecasts. Of course, it's crucial to remember that these bots aren't perfect and might sometimes make wrong predictions, resulting in losses for the user. However, as AI technology advances, we may expect to see more sophisticated trading bots that can better evaluate data and make accurate forecasts, improving AI's potential in the field of cryptocurrency trading. So there you have it, people. The future of money is looking brighter than ever, thanks to AI's power and the ingenuity of cryptocurrencies. So, if you're as enthusiastic about this game-changing development as we are, remember to press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial and technology news. Thank you for tuning in.